Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is August 18th. We are doing a yield survey. If you don't know about it, you need to know about it because we need your help. We're doing this survey. We're compiling information over the next 2 weeks in order to get you guys the best results we can. No one knows their yields out there better than you as the farmer. So get in the field. Let us know what kind of yield checks you're doing. Let us know how things look. Would be anxious to find out how things look in your area. So give us a call, help us with that, and we'll help you guys out later on with the best information that we can. But looking at the markets today, kind of choppy for corn, back and forth. We did make it above $3.40 overnight for corn. We had decent export sales again this morning, so that may carry us a little bit more. But for beans, little different story. Beans were down about 9 to 10 cents overnight. Giving back some of the gains that we've seen here recently. We've seen good rains come across the Midwest. We've seen a decent rally for beans, but if we can continue to close above this 10.06 area for November, maybe we do have a little strength as we go into next week. Next week's going to be pretty interesting. We've got Pro Farmers Crop Tour that starts early next week, and we're going to get a good look of really what do the fields look like. But what it is, more than anything, is more of a media frenzy. You're going to hear everything from anything that's negative out there or maybe friendly to this crop real early next week, but we tend to get that bounce. USDA gave us enormous numbers last Friday, and they're not going to change too much. So look for this bounce or this rally as an opportunity to get some sold or to protect your price here as we move into fall. So expect to see maybe a little bit more upside yet if we can continue on the path that we have. But we've seen some good strength. We need to make sure that we hold that going into next week. Looking at some of the other markets today, outside markets, crude oil pushing higher once again, continuing to shove above that $47 mark and continuing to look pretty strong as it makes its way up near 50. Stock futures back and forth of unchanged. You've got the dollar down this morning, so that continues to support commodities in general, but continue to look for some of these outside influences as far as kind of a tipping point for the grains. Livestock, here in steady trade out there. We'll see what kind of trade we get for cattle, but we've seen cattle working a little bit lower and maybe a little disappointing. And hogs trying to find a low in here, trying to find a bottom. Any kind of big pullbacks have been bought here recently, so we'll see if that trend can continue as well. But let us know how your crop looks. Get online, do the survey, or give us a call. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.